Welcome back to Manoj Nambiar's Travel Experiences. Today's video is about Meenmutti Waterfalls in Aralam Wildlife Sanctuary, Kannur district. Aralam, being the only wildlife sanctuary in Kannur district, is also one of the best spots for ecotourism lovers. Aralam, an extended piece of the Brahmagiri Sanctuary in Karnataka, is rich in biodiversity. Covered with tropical and semi-evergreen forests, the Aralam Sanctuary is home to vast variety of flora and fauna, endemic to the Western Ghats. Spread over a 55 square kilometer area of forests on Western Ghats, the Aralam Wildlife Sanctuary is among the finest of its kind in Kerala. Though the best time to visit Aralam is from November to May, the sanctuary remains open throughout the year. Meenmutti Waterfalls is in the heart of Aralam and is a captivating sight for the travelers. The Aralam Wildlife Sanctuary is spread over 55 square kilometers of undulating forested highlands on the slopes of the Western Ghats. A trek to Meenmutti takes almost 3 hours and you can observe the scenic beauty of the rainforest here. Here you can nourish yourself with cool wind and water around you. You would be astonished to find the waterfalls at Meenmutti veiled by the green. It is quite huge and cascades from a high altitude. And as you trek back, the majestic waters sing a full-throated song from the beach and green. A gushing waterfall full in monsoon is an eye-soothing sight. Don't forget to take a dip here. Unpolluted air and water, variety of birds and butterflies endemic to Meenmutti make it quite special. The forest is peaceful and many trekking options are available as well. You have to hire a 4-wheel drive jeep for this trekking, and in one jeep maximum people to accommodate are 5. Meenmutti trekking is a one-day package. You will be taking to the waterfalls in a jeep along with a guide. Elephant, Gaur, Sambar, Spotted Deer, Barking Deer, Nilagiri Langur, Hanuman Langur, Malabar Giant Squirrel, etc. can be spotted here. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like this video, kindly subscribe and share.